Watch this video until the end to find out how I received so many Poke Golds and tickets in just 3 minutes. This method works with all Android and iOS devices, so let's jump right into the tutorial. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of the game installed. As you can see, I have the latest version of Pokemon TCG Pocket. Next, open your browser. You can use any browser you prefer and navigate to the website getgen.pro. Make sure you type the website URL correctly to avoid any mistakes. Once you're on the site, find Pokemon TCG Pocket. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function. When you find it, tap on it. Now enter your username. Make sure you type it correctly. Next, select your platform. If you're using an iPhone, select iOS. If you're an Android user, select Android and then click the Proceed button. The tool will now search for your username on the server. Once it's found, you will see a success message. Here, you need to select the amount of Poke Gold and tickets you want. There are several options available, so choose whatever you prefer and then click the Proceed button. The generator will take a few seconds to access the server and add the Poke Gold and tickets to your game. Now comes a very important step, verifying your device. I've already completed the verification, so I won't be doing it again. It's very simple. All you need to do is click the Verify Now button, complete a few offers, and after that, the Poke Gold and tickets will be added to your game instantly. If you need additional help, you can check out the video tutorial on how to complete the verification process. Thanks for watching.